Hey everyone, how's everyone going? On this video, I wanted to share with you how to make your first $5,000 plus with Systeme.io.alternative, right? This is not Systeme.io that I'm going to be telling you about. This is another alternative to that software. And with this system, you can actually start to earn that ongoing residual income month after month, right? So I'll tell you the whole process. I'll also tell you about the traffic method that I actually use to actually get the results that I've starting to get, right? This system that I'm going to be sharing with you, I've been doing it for about close to 3-4 months, and it's working really great. And I'll show you the back end, the office as well, how it actually looks like, and what products are there inside the system, so you can get a clear understanding of what the system is and actually what it can do for you, right? To actually grow your business, right? If you're new to my channel, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and on this channel I create videos about affiliate marketing, and mainly about recurring income, residual income affiliate marketing program, right? There's a lot of programs out there. You're looking at high ticket commission affiliate marketing, and there's residual income affiliate marketing. And the one that I actually really love is the ongoing residual income, because what happens if you don't make a sale with your high ticket products offers, right? You're not gonna be getting paid, right? But to build a long-term wealth, you need that ongoing payment that's coming to your bank account, right? Month after month, right? You might start today, and years down the road you'll still be getting paid, right? Which I really love, right? So let's get started, right? I'm going to be sharing with you my results, and these results is through my own hard work. So just wanted to put a disclaimer out there that most of the time when people actually start any online business, they get little to no results. But this is my results, and I cannot guarantee that you're going to be getting the same results that I'm actually getting, or you might get even more higher results to what I'm actually getting, right? This is just my results, so you can see if this is possible for you or not, right? So this is my results with the system that I've actually started. So far I've made $6,000, and I literally didn't start till about April, right? So it didn't take me that long to make this amount of money, but it's growing every day because this is a recurring income business model that I've actually started, very similar to Systeme.io, right? And it's growing every day. You can see the payments coming to my bank account every single day, every second day, every third day, right? Something is coming in my bank account, like $100, $520. You got $520, $820. So it's just consistent revenue that I'm getting like month after month, right? And I've just started. Even though I'm going to be storing the system, I'm not going to be promoting, I'll still be getting paid, right? Which I really love, right? So now I'll be sharing with you the inside of the system and what you actually get. So once you click the description down below, you're going to be taken to this page here, right? Which is actually going to look like this, right? This is the all-in-one business model, and this is a $25 business model. And this business is like you get monthly commissions, right, from every customer, right? And all the training is also provided in the back office. And this sales page just converts so well, right? I'll just quickly share with you, and it gets updated on a daily basis, right? With all the bonus and everything, it just continuously upgrades, right? But the great thing is you don't pay anything more. You just pay like the $25, and month after month you start to get that amazing bonus. So far the company had paid out $4.4 million to the affiliates, right? And with all the bonus, algorithm for abundance, right? Which is awesome. Look at this. This is something that they actually put in here like recently. This is a recent updates, right? Hidden secrets to stories that sell, right? No one actually talking about this in the online space. And you're also going to get like 3 magic emails bonus for free, right? And you can actually see the value in this: $77, $47, $497, right? Which is just awesome. And you got tons of value here, right? Which you can actually unlock for only little money of $25, which is just awesome. So how you actually get access to the system, you're going to just click on this green button, and then you're going to just enter your details. And after you have entered the details, you put all the details here. The company also gives out the free bonus, right? 14 days trial for free, right? So make sure you tick this box to actually qualify for that bonus, right? $25. And make sure you tick this box, and make sure you provide all the correct details, because your details will they'll need your details to be able to send all the training onto your email, right? So make sure it's your correct email. And after you have done that, you're going to get access to this amazing system right here. Okay, so this is inside the back office, what it actually looks like. So in here actually tells you different products. So just like Systeme.io, we got funnel, right? We also have the training for traffic and conversion, how we can actually get people inside our funnel with this amazing training in here, right? And we do have like mastermind calls every single day of the week, or 5 days a week, where you can actually jump on the call and ask any questions you have. You can get your questions answered, and everyone is there to help each other, right? With this amazing system and amazing business. And we get traffic in here. We got solo ads, Facebook videos, text messages, and we got tons and tons of like strategies how we can actually get traffic into our funnel, right? Awesome system. So if you're thinking about that system that you can actually start, this is a very heart-centered community in here, right? Everyone is there to help each other. And I also the company provides you a lot of bonus, but I also, from my side, I also give my team a lot of bonus as well, right? So once you click on the details in the description section, the first link, it will actually take you to the page, and that's where you can get access to this page here, right? And I'll also send you details on your emails, and on that email we'll have all my bonus, right? And so that way you can get access to the system and start with my startup bonus, right? So again, thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions, anything you want to know, just leave in the comment section below, and I'll be quick to reply. So again, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and my God bless you all. Bye for now. Take care of yourself.